After a topsy-turvy Tuesday on Wall Street, the Dow ended flat, the S&P 500 added nearly 0.4%, and the Nasdaq gained almost 0.9%. Some of the uncertainty that has roiled markets this year is expected to dissipate after President Trump unveils his tariff plan on Wednesday. But while clarity on the specific tariff measures will be welcomed by investors, the overall backdrop is set to remain highly uncertain, says Liz Miller, president of Summit Place Financial Advisors.
This week, there is just so much focus on what's going to be announced tomorrow after the close that coming off of this choppy Q1, it feels like it's so important. It feels like it's a seminal event for the stock market. But I don't think that's what we're going to experience. I think that given our experience with our current administration, we're going to get a strong statement after the close tomorrow, but then I think we'll get this tail of adjustments and pushbacks and information from other countries. And so our stock market is still going to be trying to process information under this long tail of uncertainty.
That sentiment was reflected in all three indices on Tuesday, which swung between positive and negative territory throughout much of the day before finishing with some decent momentum. Big gains were posted by some of the newest public companies. Conservative news outlet Newsmax soared for the second straight day, jumping 179%, following a more than 700% surge in its New York Stock Exchange debut on Monday. Big tech advances were led by Tesla, which climbed more than 3.5% ahead of its first quarter vehicle deliveries report on Wednesday. Other Magnificent Seven stocks, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta Platforms, also gained. On the flip side, Johnson & Johnson, the worst performer on the S&P 500, fell more than 7.5% after a U.S. bankruptcy judge rejected the company's $10 billion proposal to end tens of thousands of lawsuits alleging its baby powder and other talc products cause ovarian cancer.